Hello, everyone. Welcome to January 2026. A belated Happy New Year. It is time for a Tech Tip Roundup. In this video, I am going to review the tech tips created for December 2025. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of December 1st, 2025, the tech tip was focused on resources for Computer Science Week, which took place from December 8th to December 14th in 2025. The resources here can be used all year long to promote an understanding of computers for elementary students. For the week of December 8th, 2025, this tech tip focused on some websites devoted to fun winter activities teachers could use right away in the classroom. For the week of December 15th, 2025, this tech tip focused on recharging over winter break and how to take a break from technology. I hope that you can try using these ideas any time of the year. That's all for December 2025's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.